Hi guys, today I'm going to go through my journal, which is my art journal, and this I actually got from IKEA, which I think has a really pretty design on it. And I did this I finished it in 2017. Probably took me a few years to finish because I sort of come and go with art. The first thing I've put in is a poem from Say Frank, who is a really cool, positive guy, and he also does true facts about animals, which is really funny. He's really good. I think you should go check him out. This is a poem from my friend. So I take my inspiration from so many different things. This, I love steampunk, but this is from Alice Madness Returns, which is a game, which is really cool. It has lots of cool costumes in it. This is another one. It's like a darker version of Alice in Wonderland. And yeah, just practicing drawing different poses and stances. That's just another practice. I think I've always drawn like ladies, and I always enjoy practicing figures. I like pencil and pen the same, though I think I've done a lot more paint recently because I find painting really therapeutic. And this is definitely the most full notebook that I have. This is the Shoes from Mad Father, which is another game, which is like a 2D horror game, which is really good, but it's a bit too scary for me, actually. I just watched somebody else play it. I can't remember what that's from, but I think that's a pretty cool pose. But I'm pretty sure that was also from an anime picture that I found. And that I was trying to mix earth materials with women, so I think that's quite cool, and I do like abstract things. Again, the same, it kind of looks like she has a knot for a head or something. She's got a leaf dress on. I quite like that. I like that too. It's quite cool. So there may be the odd unfinished thing in here, so obviously I've not sketched that, but it's mostly full. I would say it's about 95% finished. Forgot what she's called, actually. See, that one's done. There she is, Chelsea Christian. She's a model. That was a more recent one that I did. And I think that was actually from Dita Von Teese, and that was a model in her lingerie line. That was done with pencil. That was from a friend's painting, actually, that she did. And it really inspired me, so I thought I'd do like a pencil version. It's like a geisha. That is a mermaid, but there are some awful scribble marks in the background. And that's from artists that I like. Leilani Joy. I think that's how you say it. She does lots of cool stuff as well. My friend sent me that, how to draw boobs in a more natural way, which I think is quite fun. And that was my sister's kitten. That was just something out of my head. I wonder where that was. That's Princess Leia as some sort of lizard. So random. Yeah, my brain can be quite strange sometimes. Lots of animal practice. Lolita fashion. Fairy K as well, like that kind of thing. It's an alien. That's a character from Hooney Pop, which I've watched people play. quite a silly game that my friend was playing Dungeons and Dragons, so I thought I would draw some characters. I just grew Elf on the Shelf and then I started doing Wizard with a Lizard. And that is the first page of Harry Potter, just because I love Harry Potter. I thought, why not? That's a collage. Oh yeah, I cut the top out actually and I used it as a birthday card. It's another collage. That is, I think I started off doing pencil and then I must have gone over it with watercolours. You can see there's a mixture. I probably did that with tea because I like to do that a lot. Yeah, that was definitely done with tea. That was done with watercolour. I like to use skin tones with tea. I did that quite recently. There you go, that says 2016. Art Deco. Art Nouveau. I really like that style. Impressionism. Random collage. That says Thriving. That says Dynamic. See, I probably should finish these off. I just presume that this one's finished. Obviously it's not. I don't care that. I'm Loving. Exquisite. Oh no. Fabulous. I thought they were nice circle shapes together. There's a flower in there. That was Bowie that I drew after he passed away. R.I.P. Bowie. Back of the page. That is like the Concords, even though, which is a comedy band, even though the pictures have nothing to do with it, they do have, I have got lyrics all over the page. That is the style of Jonathan Yao, which he does really interesting work. That, I quite like this page because I did watercolours and then I drew pen on the top. Dragonfly, I like the dragonfly. Frog, hummingbird rose, peacock, I think the peacock looks a bit evil. There's a sun. That is a lady, more abstract stuff. Spring, sunshine, not sure about that one, but it's kind of nice bright colours. Vintage, Victorian, Gothic type stuff, sure. Does that lift up? Yeah. Rainbow. Double rainbow. Squiggles, but that's not got finished. That, I'm not sure what I should put there, but I quite like that. It's a nice background. It's like a mandala. A dove. And there's another bird in there. That's done for a pride. Shiny happy people holding hands. The REM song. Actually, go back because that must have taken me ages. I do like that though. Love is all you need. And that is a song by Rob Cantor. Good song. Harry Potter quote. That I put a lot of white acrylic on, which is quite a cool effect. Love. That's Okay Go lyrics. There's another drawing. Sure I got them from, but I quite like how that one turned out. and they're a lot of song titles, and I've gone over the ones with Tipex that I've done twice and filled them in again, so it's a lot of songs there. All good songs, obviously. That is Hank Green poem called Grab It by the Testicle. I recommend that. And that's everything. I know it's not totally finished, but that is my most complete sketchbook, and I'm quite proud of it. You know, I do like looking through it every now and again. And I think sketchbooks as well as scrapbooks and all paintings are a good reflection of showing what kind of styles you like, and it's good to try out different styles and just try and fill stuff up and challenge yourself. Do things that you like, try different colours, try different mediums, try acrylic, watercolours, mixed media, you know, stick things on things. If you don't like a painting, cut it up, turn it around, stick it together in a different way, you know, just try different things. So I'm going to leave that there. Leave a like if you liked it, and let me know what sort of things you use to fill up your sketchbook and give you ideas. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye!